Hey guys, George from SME here, and today I want to cover one of ThoughtSpot's latest features to come in its 6.2 release, and that is DataFlow. Now, DataFlow allows you to connect to databases, data warehouses, files, Salesforce, and bring that data directly into ThoughtSpot without having to write any scripts or any SQL. So let's go ahead and check out our DataFlow environment. So right here on my home screen, I have all the different syncs that are related to my DataFlow job. So you can see here that I've got 2 total syncs. And what we're going to do is we're going to add a third one for our Postgres environment. So let's go ahead and go over to the connections. Now, I've got 4 connections set up. So I've got a database through Postgres, I've got a data warehouse with Snowflake, and I also have the ability to connect to local files and files in my Amazon S3 bucket. So let's go ahead and configure our new Postgres table sync. So you see here, I got my 2 tables. They're related to an HR data set. So I can go ahead and add the table sync, and it has all the different Postgres schemas. So I can go ahead and easily just select this one. So this is gonna basically be my fact table related to my HR. So when I hit setup sync, now it gives me the option to set up my schedule. So I can do this on a daily basis. I can do it on a monthly, weekly, hourly. I can also say, hey, I don't want it to repeat. So in this case, that's what we're gonna do. Now, in the advanced setup, this is where you specify where that data is gonna go, which database on the ThoughtSpot environment, if you wanna specify the schema, or if you wanna change the table name, as well as when you're going through, you can select which field is going to be the primary key, which in this case is our employee ID. And we can also set up a sharding key if we want to as well. So I also have the ability to deselect fields, and I can bring in just what I want. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and hit save and sync now. And now our data is going to start flowing into our ThoughtSpot environment. It's just as easy as that. So let's go ahead and hop over here. So we can see that we have 3 different tables synced. I can go back to the DataFlow home screen, and we actually just got a successful sync. So now our data is in ThoughtSpot. It only took about 8 seconds, but you know that it uses TS load in the back end, so it's gonna be the fastest loading mechanism that you have. So going over here, I'm gonna go ahead and refresh the page. And then I'm going to go check out my data tab, and we're gonna see our data now inside of ThoughtSpot. So we're gonna go and select tables. And I just saw it pop up. So there we go. We got Postgres HR dataset. And now I can go in and I can add specific things to my table, whether that be a synonym, changing the additives or the aggregations. I can go in and specify the joins. I'm doing that all right here in the front end of ThoughtSpot. Don't need to go back and start writing Linux code or SQL scripts. So DataFlow is a very welcome addition to ThoughtSpot, and I can't wait to see how people are going to utilize it. So that's it for me, guys. I'm going to go ahead and pop back over to my screen. So if you want to learn more about how you can utilize ThoughtSpot or DataFlow, please reach out to us at our website, smesgroup.com, where you can find a bunch of articles, blogs, videos, as well as you can reach out to us directly. So until next time, have a good one, guys.